A Pool Payday server error on launch usually means the app cannot complete its connection to the game service, so reinstalling the app should not be your first move. The fastest fix is to check your connection, restart the app, and then rule out a service-side problem. By the end, you'll know which steps to try on Android or iPhone, when clearing app data can help, and when the problem is outside your device. First, completely close Pool Payday instead of leaving it running in the background. Open your recent app screen, swipe Pool Payday away, then launch it again. A failed connection during startup can leave the app stuck even after your internet connection comes back. Next, switch your connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, try mobile data. If you are using mobile data, try Wi-Fi. This tells you whether the error is tied to your current network. If the game still shows a server error, restart your phone and open Pool Payday again. Also check whether other apps can connect normally. If other apps work but Pool Payday continues showing the same server message, the problem may be with the game's servers rather than your device. There is another step worth checking on Android. Open Settings, find Apps, select Pool Payday, open Storage, and use the option to clear the cache if your phone provides it. Clearing the cache removes temporary files without requiring you to delete the app. On iPhone, there is no separate system option for clearing an individual app's cache. Instead, you can close the app, restart the iPhone, and check whether an update is available through the App Store. Also, check for a Pool Payday update. If the installed version is outdated, a connection or startup problem can continue until the app is updated. If none of those steps work, avoid repeatedly reinstalling the game. Reinstalling may remove local app data, and it will not fix a server-side outage. So the order is simple. Restart Pool Payday, change networks, restart your phone, check for an app update, and clear the cache on Android if available. If the same server error appears after all of that while your other apps have normal internet access, wait for the service issue to be resolved or contact Pool Payday support. The practical next step is to test Pool Payday on a different network before changing anything else. If this fixed your launch error, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday troubleshooting guides.